a 60-pounder. Hello everybody, George Kenner. Today we're going to talk about the Haotian 30-watt fiber laser. Now here's what happened. I have a Facebook group called Laser Freedom, and I started it because so many people want to control what is said in their sites. I don't care about that. If you're a rep from any other manufacturer, you want to come in, somebody other than Haotian or Haotian themselves want to come in and comment about any of my content, absolutely come in. We all benefit from having the best uncensored information. So here's what happened. I was thinking about buying a fiber laser, and I was talking about it in my Facebook group to my friends, and Haotian reached out to me and said, George, let me know if you can help. And I said, well, why don't we do this? Why don't we get a couple of highly detailed graphics? I'll send them to you. You can engrave it on a couple of items, send it back to me, and maybe we'll take the engraved item and send them on to the people in the Facebook group. Pascal told me, I think we can do a little bit better than that. Why don't I send you one of the 30-watt machines? You do it yourself and you share it. Well, he did. The box is still here in my garage. All the packing equipment and everything has been saved. I don't know whether I'm going to return it, forward it to somebody else. It's not my machine. This is not a sponsored video. Subscribe and I'll tell you what happens with the machine. If they give it to me to do more reviews, I'm going to let you know. I'll be totally honest. I was amazed at the detail that came off of this. It was far better than any diode laser I had ever used or any CO2 on this aluminum business card. First, when it arrived, let's go through this in a chronological order. It arrived.
Oh yeah. You want me to set it by the garage?
Yeah, just set it right there inside. Just right there, that's perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. You have a great day.
You too. And to put it together, it required 4 small hex-headed bolts and the connection of merely 2 electrical plugs together to have one wire running from the base of the machine up into the head, and then assembling the head onto the machine. It comes with a rotary device, a measuring device to gain your focal distance. As I measured and adjusted mine, it came up to 236 millimeters. So what I did was I went over to my laser and I made a standard 236 millimeter stop that's the same diameter as the lens. So every time I want to do this as a starting reference point, here I am. So it comes with a pair of very nice, high quality, truly marked with the specifications for the glasses to protect your eyes from this laser. What else did it come with? There was a couple of little samples in the box, but it was really very nicely packed. I went about studying up and I found that the only real difference in utilizing this machine on Lightburn than any of the other machines was I had the addition of frequency. If you're afraid of getting a fiber laser because you think it's going to be very difficult, put that idea aside. What I did, and where did I put it? It's right here. This is a stainless steel bottle opener. And what I did was I went to a site that Haotian actually sponsors called thelasertips.org. I went straight to stainless steel, took the settings, entered them into Lightburn, focused my machine, hit go, and there it is. Nicely blacked out print right on stainless steel. The brass coin, I changed the frequency on the machine to give me 2 different effects with the same cutting strength. This is really easy stuff. To get the settings for this, I went to Bing that has a chat system and AI, and I says, what are the settings? They were right there. So if you think you're going to get lost, you could go to ChatGPT or Bing AI and probably pick up your settings. But they're also right here. This is not hard to do. I would probably, if I were going into business, consider how much this piece or blank cost, how many of them I could sell, and divide it by the cost of this machine, and I bet you would add this machine to your tool list very quickly. It would probably pay for itself with a matter of just a couple of jobs. If you're a manufacturer and you want to do your own marking on your products, this could be the way to go. Of course, in Lightburn, you can even serialize part numbers and that type of thing, so you're set and ready to go. I have friends that right now are asking me to do larger batch productions of things like business cards, flasks, bottle openers, and I'm like, it's not really my machine yet, but if you wanted to do this, you could, I guess, buy one of the machines. Anyhow, I love this machine. I think it's very, very well made. This laser is so easy to transport. And you know, here's one of the things I'd want to know. I recently did an interview with one of my friends that is a commercial engraver where I'm just a hobbyist. She recently opened up her own business. She's the one that, in fact, introduced me to Haotian. She explained to me that many of the machines, just like computers, are built with off-the-shelf parts, meaning Dell Computer uses Intel processors. So do all of the other companies. So what you're going to do is you could go to Haotian and have them custom make the machine that you want. Now, of course, they're the experts and they know what really, goes, what parts mesh together and work perfectly. But this is like an entry-level machine. You can get up to 100 watt and then what is called a MOPA machine and come up with multiple colors on stainless steel. The artistry that's available in these is incredible. If you have any questions, either come into Laser Freedom. I put my email address down in the comments, and as I learn more about this machine, you're going to know more. And I hope you subscribe, because I don't know what's going to happen with this machine. If you have any interest in it, please let me know. I wish you all the very best, and have a safe holiday season. Thank you.